Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the British Empire became so powerful. We'll explore the key factors that contributed to its immense global influence and reach. From its formidable navy to its economic innovations, Britain built an empire that spanned continents. Understanding these elements helps us grasp the scale of its historical impact. Let's dive into the strategies and circumstances that allowed this empire to flourish for centuries. A cornerstone of British power was its unparalleled naval strength. The Royal Navy was not just a defense force, it was an instrument of global projection, securing trade routes and dominating the seas. This maritime supremacy allowed Britain to establish and maintain a vast network of colonies, ensuring a steady flow of raw materials and markets for its manufactured goods. It was a truly global economic engine. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this deep dive into history, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of conquering new territories, you'll need to stay hydrated on your own adventures. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold and accessible, whether you're exploring or just working. You can find the link for it and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. The Industrial Revolution gave Britain an enormous advantage, transforming its economy and military. New technologies, from textile machinery to steam power, fueled unprecedented production and innovation. This industrial might translate it into superior military equipment and the financial resources to sustain a vast empire. Coupled with effective administrative systems, Britain could govern diverse populations and extract resources efficiently across its global holdings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.